Best AI tools to edit photos like a pro. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools to edit photos like a pro, even if you have zero editing skills. Stick with me till the end. I'll also show you one bonus tool that can literally do edits in one click. Let's get into it. First up, we have Photor. This is perfect for one-click enhancements. You just upload your photo and Photor automatically fixes lighting, colors, and sharpness. There's also an AI background remover that's surprisingly accurate. Then we've got Canva's AI features. Canva now includes Magic Edit and Magic Eraser. Want to remove something from your photo or add a new element? Just highlight the spot, type what you want, and it fills it in naturally. You can also generate entire scenes with text prompts. Now let's talk about Luminar Neo. This one's for people who want pro-level control but still want AI to do the heavy lifting. It can replace skies, relight photos, remove blemishes, and even remove power lines all automatically. And don't forget about Adobe Photoshop with Generative Fill. If you're ready to take things up a notch, Photoshop's AI lets you highlight any part of your photo and generate realistic edits just by typing a few words. It's incredibly powerful and feels like magic once you get the hang of it. And here's the bonus tool I promised, Pixlr. It's free, runs in your browser, and now has a full AI suite. You can cut out backgrounds, add AI-generated overlays, and even retouch faces with just a click. So those are the best AI tools to edit your photos like a pro. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching.